Welcome back. As the saying goes, the best things in life are free. Mother Nature is one such entity that does not charge us a fee for the best things that it gives to mankind. Today, the 22nd of April, is celebrated as World Earth Day. So let's pay a small tribute to Mother Nature. Have we ever bothered to appreciate the beauty of nature? We never seem to care about the air we breathe, without which our very existence would not be possible, or the sun rays which are so essential for our well-being. Most often, we just take these things for granted. With man's constant striving for prosperity, he only lands up polluting and destroying the environment. The continuous felling of trees and rampant growth of concrete jungles is an irreversible change in nature. We often forget that our Earth is the only one of its kind in the whole universe, and it is indeed very fragile. Though of late man seems to have realized his mistake, as the world today is celebrating Earth Day, in the hope that we will continue enjoying the free gifts that nature gives us. We spoke to a few people who told us how they would contribute in their own small way to save Mother Earth.
I try to create awareness, especially with my surrounding areas, as neighbors and stuff, and maybe have a kind of a talk or something about the recent environmental issues.
World Earth Day, I think I would try and do my bit to save the environment by not littering, because it's so easy to just eat a packet of chips and throw the packet out on the road. But would you do the same in your own living room? So I think planet Earth is an extension of our home, and we have to do our bit to save it because we don't have very much time.
My contribution to planet Earth would be by stopping the use of bulbs, that is the yellow light bulbs, because they give out a lot of carbon dioxide, which is bad for the atmosphere, which causes global warming. And we need to be really careful nowadays in Goa, because that's really the talk of the town, global warming.
Diwan Housing Finance Corporation Limited, the second largest private housing finance company in India, inaugurated its first branch in Goa yesterday at Kamath Chambers, opposite Hotel Neptune, Panjim. This is the 59th branch in the country, and it has been providing housing finances to lower and middle income groups in both the semi-urban and the rural belts of India. The company offers home loans, home extension loans, home improvement loans, NRI loans, plot loans, mortgage loans, leased rental finance and non-residential property loans. Speaking at the inaugural, the chairman of DHFL, Rakesh Kumar Vardhan, told us about the interest rates that they are offering to their customers.
We have got variable interest rates, but at the moment it is approximately around 12%, only for the reason because the rates are changing very fast in last 3 months' time. Since the rates are changing in 3 months' time, so we cannot give a fixed interest as of what it will be after a month also. Because if RBI changes now, on 29th credit policy, if they changes again, then again we may have to go and change ourselves.
Time for another short break. You're with Goa 365.